What's up guys, it's Primac, and today I've got an unboxing of the Iron Man slipcase, which was really awesome, so I can see all the armors and stuff, so I got it here in this box, and let's get it open. It's a new camera, so tell me if it's good or not. And I can't use it often, so it should be pretty good. I just don't have the macro lens, which is why I can't record close-ups. So I'll try my best and show you all the armors. Let's get this opened. There we go. We got a bunch of airbags. And we have the book, so let's put that aside. So there it is. Looks really awesome. Try and focus. You can see it's from the poster, except they got rid of all the armors in the back and the water dripping down most of it, so you can get a clear look at the arc reactor, which is kind of glowing blue. And on the back you get all the suits. We got the orbital, the shotgun, the skeleton, heartbreaker. So I'm gonna just rip open the plastic and get it opened. Get rid of all the other trashes. Okay, so here it is. Has a nice matted feel to it. And the slipcase, so you can slide this off. I'm gonna set that in the background. And you get really nice artwork of the Mark 42 suit right here. You can see Igor in the back with all the fighting going on with the extremis. On this side you see the extremis, and that's the red snapper on the bottom, if you can see. And you open it all up. It's like a big war scene going on. I think it's really nice artwork. So into the book. We've got the arc reactor design, a bunch of triangles. This shows some of the Iron Legion. So it just talks about how the movie was made, what was difficult, and all the props made, and how they designed everything. And for some reason, if you can see, these are like blown up pictures, so you can see all the pixels. That was bad. That's bad. It's only for some of them. The others are actually really nice quality. This shows how they made the headset. And it goes on about how they made the movie and Iron Patriot. So you can see over here they made some suits, especially the Heartbreaker. That was really cool. You can see like a massive arc reactor over here. And yeah, they said they'll show some suits, like all 42 of them, so let's find that. Somewhere over here, I guess. Go try and find it. Oh, right here. It says the Iron Legion. gonna set the book up a bit, and it shows all 42 suits, which is really awesome. I'm gonna try and show you guys. So we have the Mark 1s all the way up to the Mark 8, which everybody thought was the new suit. Just has like kind of a skeletal design to it. And if you can see on the Mark 11, kind of looks like the Heartbreaker to faceplate. And then from Mark 12 to 16, they're all like the stealth suits. And the main one was like the sneaky or whatever. The Black Nightclub. That was the main one, about how he talked with the kid in the movie about making like an invisible armor or something. And then 17 is the Heartbreaker. And we see many versions of same armor, except in different colors, and they call it a new armor, so that was weird. There's like a bunch of high-speed suits from Mark 19 to Mark 21. They're all about height and speed, the high altitude. And then for Mark 22, that was just really based off of his vehicle. You can see all the flames from his vehicle from before in the first Iron Man movie. And then down here, you can see extreme heat suits. And Mark 24 is like yeah, bad camera. Wait. Can't get the glare out, but that's just the Heartbreaker in another color. Here you can see Thumper, I mean. And then for Mark 27, that was a bit weird. They call it the Chameleon. Can't get this guy to focus. They call it Disco. And most of these armors are just the same, so not much of anything spectacular. And most, you can see from the red snapper, most of them are based off of it, like this guy. It's the same thing with another paint job, same with this one, and they call it like prototypes and some kind of riot control. So red snapper was like the best. And you can see there's Hammerhead, Igor, the spacesuit, shotgun, skeleton, and Mark 42. So that's the Iron Legion. And here you get a bigger picture.